How to close TD Bank account online. Now in this video, I'm going to show you additional information or process for you to be able to have your account be closed on TD Bank. So first things first, TD Bank's accounts generally cannot be closed directly through the online banking portal. But the very first thing that you want to have to do is to ensure that you have zero balance, stop automatic payments, and download a statement before closing. So all you have to do at first is to contact their hotline number by going into their official site and then just simply scroll down and go into this tab here and type in account closure. Once you hit on enter, you should be able to see a lot of articles here, but all you have to do is to choose on the designated options where you can go ahead and find their official phone or hotline number. You could also go directly into this tab here that says contact us and click on call us. And from here, you should be able to see this specific hotline number that will be available 24/7. Now, once you've obtained this specific hotline number, you just need to provide a request of account closure. And that is how you close your TD Bank account online.